Today we are going to study the objective questions for civil engineering, guys. So let's not waste time and start. Number one, contour interval. It is the constant vertical distance between two adjacent contour. Planimeter is used for measuring area. Chain surveying is well adapted for small areas in open ground. Okay, यो कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसनहरू छिटो छिटो हेर्नुपर्छ, रिपिटेडली हेर्नुपर्छ अनि मात्रै याद हुन्छ क्या है। धेरै एक्सप्लेन गर्ने हुँदैन क्या अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन्समा। राइज एन्ड फल मेथड इज युज फर प्रोफाइल लेबलिङ एन्ड चेक लेबलिङ। केमिकली marble is a type of calcareous rock. Initial setting of cement is caused due to tetracalcium aluminoferrite. Distemper is used on plaster surface on unexposed weather. Thinner used in distemper is water. Limit within which Hooke's law holds good is proportional limit. A beam is said to be loaded in pure bending when bending moment is constant. Product of Young's modulus and moment of inertia is called flexural rigidity. Young's modulus and moment of inertia product is called flexural rigidity. Shape of bending moment over length of beam having no external load is always parabolic. Having no external load is parabolic. Weighted perimeter of channel according to Lacey is 4.75 square root q. The property of liquid by virtue of which molecule get attracted to another body is known as adhesion. Property of liquid by virtue of which molecule get attracted to another body is called adhesion. Piezometers are used to measure very low pressure. The head of water representing in case of axial line is known as residual head. Uniformity coefficient is the ratio of d60 to d10. The strain theory of applicable to C5 soil is Morse column theory. The pygnometer is used to determine the water content and specific gravity. A fully saturated soil is called two-phase system with soil and water. The surface width of the crack salmar generally exceed 0.3 mm. Design of RCC cantilever beams is based on the resultant force at fixed ends. The reinforcing bars in beams are not bundled in contact if the diameter of the bar exceeds 36 mm. Minimum diameter bar in column is 12 mm. Expansion joints in masonry walls are provided if length exceeds 40 meter. The construction of temporary structure required to support an unsafe structure is called shoring. The most commonly used material for damp proofing is bitumen. The portion of brick obtained by cutting a brick lengthwise into two directions is known as queen closure. By cutting a brick lengthwise into two directions, queen closure. Turbidity is mainly due to colloidal solids. Mostly used coagulant is alum. In water-bound macadam roads, binding material is stone dust. Raising of outer edge of a road with respect to inner edge is cant, banking, super elevation, all of the above. When calculating the overtaking side distance, the height of the object of above the road is assumed 100 cm. Drain is provided in hillside of the road. The intermediate supports on bridge are called piers. The value of the property without being dismantled at the individual library is known as salvation value. In the estimating of plastering surface, the deductions are not made for in the beam interrupters, all of the above. The unit of payment are for ACC roofing is in square meter. CPM requires single time estimate. Import technique, the critical path has slide equal to 0 or negative. In Nepal, Public Procurement Act was established in 2063 BS.